What's going on, everybody? My name is Christopher Rogers at MarineMax Clearwater. You can call me Mr. Rogers if you'd like. I may not be wearing a cardigan, but it is a beautiful day in this neighborhood. So I'm on board this amazing 2025 Boston Whaler 250 Dauntless, and I'm super excited to show you. As you can see, there's some comfortable seating right in the aft. There's two aft seats. You can, of course, lower them as that one's lowered. And so it gives you ample space to, board the boat very easily, and then also just plenty of space to cast a line when you get to your destination and you want to start fishing. Speaking of fishing, right next to me there is a very big live well and easy access to all your bait. And some of y'all may be thinking, well, Christopher, that's not that big. Well, Boston Whaler understands that you may need a bigger live well, so let's check out this guy. You have two awesome giant live wells on this 25-foot boat with plenty of rod holders and cup holders to just make fishing super easy, super fun. And some of y'all may be asking what's powering the boat. So we have a Mercury Verado as a V8 300 horsepower engine, and this thing will take you upper 40s on the water. So you'll definitely get to wherever you need to go real fast. Since we're right here, let's go to the helm. And you can, of course, move this up, and when your captain can just sit, relax, chill out while they're driving the boat. Another huge Simrad to get to where you're going easily. There's a fish finder on it, and Simrad, they're awesome, very easy to use. One awesome thing too is we have a very spacious glove box. And let's start heading to the bow of the boat. And before we get there, one thing I want to mention is there's a head underneath here. And again, a 25-foot boat, great boat, spacious head, such a spacious head for a 25-foot boat. So up here, guys, we have a lounger, very comfortable. You can get a ton of sun while you're up here, get a nice tan. So underneath here, there is a space to store everything you need. I mean, there's not anything you couldn't bring on this boat to your destination. So you just close that up, and as you can see up here, you can either go completely flat and lay out here, or you can put a nice backrest up and just ample space. Again, 25-foot boat. I'm just shocked at how much space there is. Again, a fish box right here, so you can store anything you catch there, or if you're not fishing, that's okay too, because you can just fill it with ice and put your drinks and your food. So underneath here, guys, this is the last thing I'm going to mention, is there is a place to store your anchor, and so you can put your anchor, your rope, all that stuff in here. Very easy to throw out. And you just close it right back here, and this thing folds up, and voila. And guys, up here we have outlet. You can use this one for pumping up any inflatables, and right here for your trolling motor. Again, guys, thank you all so much for joining me on this walkthrough of the 2025 Boston Whaler 250 Dauntless. If you have any questions, please reach out. Again, my name is Christopher Rogers, and I'm at Clearwater. My number is 985-951-0112. Catch y'all next time.